Pileated woodpeckers can continue to be observed throughout winter, given that a mated pair of pileated woodpeckers probably will not migrate and choose to remain in their territory throughout winter. They typically make multiple holes in trees within their territory and can alternate between these holes as they use them for shelter during winter. In winter, they continue to feed on insects in dead wood, in addition to plant material such as berries, as one can observe in the accompanying video. Both males and females possess a tuft of red feathers on the tops of their head, quote, a mohawk. But females differ from males in that they are a little smaller, and the stripe from their bill to their throat is black, while in males, a portion of it is red. And so these are images and videos of a female pileated woodpecker. While some birds huddle together for warmth in winter, pileated woodpeckers each have their own hole, with the male more likely to use the one where the young had been raised in the previous breeding season. Pileated woodpeckers are the size of crows and are likely to be the largest woodpeckers left alive in North America, given that the imperial woodpeckers of Mexico were last observed in 1956. And although there are occasional reported sightings of ivory-billed woodpeckers in the U.S., the last confirmed sighting was in 1944, and the Fish and Wildlife Service presumed that the ivory-billed woodpecker was extinct in 2021.